Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use SD card reader on your Android phone. So I'm take card reader, SD card and converter. It's USB to Type C, or if you want to use USB to Type 2. So at first put on my card reader to SD card and use converter. Okay, and just put in. So connect. Now connected. Open my SD card. So open my file manager and look here, showing it to USB storage. When I'm disconnect, then it's not showing, and connect, then showing here. And now you can easily transfer file SD card to your phone. So that's it.